Well, somebody's taking over this building. I feel sorry for them because I bet you they weren't told that these units were basically scrap metal. So we got 3 scrap metal units just about. All the bearings are bad on these things. These things are just, you hear that? All these bearings are bad. This has leaks in both circuits. We're leaking down here. Leak, you see the little guy there? I already used my leak detector. Leak. There's a leak around the corner. Compressor's ohmed out okay on this one. This guy, was he a little off? That guy, yeah, no, this was the perfect one. This one, the compressors were both identical, both perfect. Little funkiness going on in ohming there, but not bad. They bypassed the low side switches, as you can, or this one, the low side. One expansion valve was replaced. This one they bypassed, what did they bypass? Oh, they didn't bypass one on this one. Okay, this one they didn't. I think we had corrosion, really bad corrosion on one terminal. Going to give them, oh yeah, there we go. That's beautiful. That's going to be a problem. And this one here, open. That's right. This one was out of, yeah, OL. That one, all 3 posts were OL. And this one ohmed out different than both the other ones. It didn't match anything. It was a lot lower. So this one was out on both circuits, no gas. Oh, and they bypassed the low side. I guess they're running and they go, oh, it's cutting off. Let's put some fuses and bypass the low side until we burn the compressors. Yeah. And so I guess they had a janitor, or I don't know, maybe the guy from McDonald's servicing these. This one, you can hear, let me get this sucker off there. There's no power up here. Gotta get the electrician to get power up to these units. It's off downstairs. Beautiful. Hear that? So they're not going to get up and running. They thought they were, but they're not going to get up and running anytime soon. They got 11 mini splits on the other side. That could get them up and running in the front part of the building. But this is definitely issues. And of course, we got our beautiful leaker there. And then I found the same thing, well, on those outer spots, all leaking. So what do you say? Rebuild them? These are like, oh, what do you say? Oh, old Chrysler 300s from the 1987 Chrysler 300s. The ocean is about 5 miles that way, and that's where all the saltwater damage and the fins are corroding away. And so these are old Chrysler 300s that have been living on the Pacific Ocean right off the coast. So what do you say? Shit can them or rebuild them?